If you're looking for a powerful new tool to streamline your email marketing campaigns, Rightmail AI might just be the game changer you're searching for. In this Rightmail AI review, I'll share 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. Stick around because by the end, you'll know whether this software deserves a place in your marketing toolbox. First off, Rightmail AI offers an incredibly intuitive interface that makes it easy for anyone to jump in, whether you're an experienced marketer or a beginner. You don't need to have any technical skills to start creating emails that are engaging and persuasive. It's designed to save you time while boosting your email open rates and conversions. Now here's something really cool. Rightmail AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms that help it understand your target audience. This means that instead of generic email templates, it generates personalized, relevant content based on your audience's preferences and behavior. That's a huge advantage if you want your emails to feel more like a conversation and less like a sales pitch. One of the standout features of Rightmail AI is its ability to optimize subject lines. The subject line is arguably the most important part of your email. It determines whether or not your message gets opened. Rightmail AI suggests subject lines that are proven to increase open rates, so you don't have to guess what will work. This feature alone can drastically improve your email campaign results. Next, Rightmail AI offers automated email sequences that are perfect for nurturing leads. You can set up an entire sequence of emails to be sent out at the right intervals automatically. Whether you're setting up an onboarding sequence for new subscribers or a follow-up series for potential clients, Rightmail AI makes it effortless. Another key feature that I love is Rightmail AI's integration capabilities. It integrates with popular email marketing platforms like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and more. If you're already using one of these platforms, you won't need to switch or learn a whole new system. It works right alongside your existing tools, which is incredibly convenient. What sets Rightmail AI apart from many other AI-driven tools is its focus on personalization at scale. With its ability to analyze customer data and segment lists based on user behavior, you can send highly targeted emails without spending hours manually segmenting your list. This takes your email marketing to a whole new level, allowing you to create dynamic and highly personalized campaigns with ease. And let's not forget about analytics. Rightmail AI comes with powerful reporting tools that give you real-time insights into how your emails are performing. You'll be able to track open rates, click-through rates, conversions, and more. These insights will help you fine-tune your email strategy and improve your results over time. Now, if you're wondering whether Rightmail AI is worth your time, here's the best part. You can try it for free. Just click the link below to start using Rightmail AI right away and see how it can transform your email marketing. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that after testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my top recommendations. You'll find these in the description, along with a link to Rightmail AI so you can give it a try yourself. It's time to elevate your email game and make the most of AI in your marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.